Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
The topic that we are going to discuss now is Kairali AI chip. What is this Kairali AI chip? Let us understand this in detail. Recently, the Digital University Kerala has introduced Kerala's maiden silicon proven artificial intelligence chip, that is AI chip, called as Kairali AI chip, that offers speed, power efficiency and scalability for various applications. So here we need to understand in detail about what are all the different applications of AI chip, what is AI chip and what other applications do they have. All these details we must have to know. And what is this Kairali? Kairali means anything which has Kerala as its origin or which is related to Kerala is called as Kairali generally. Okay, so Kairali means something related to Kerala or which has Kerala as its origin. So which means Kerala's AI chip, Kairali AI chip. Okay, so what is AI chip here? Artificial intelligence chip. How is it different from other chips? Okay, it is a specialized integrated circuit designed to handle artificial intelligence task. Okay, that is why it is called AI chip. And then this chip leverages edge intelligence. So what is edge intelligence? It includes edge computing, okay, or edge AI to deliver high performance and low power consumption for a wide range of applications. So high performance is there, at the same time low power consumption is also there. Dual advantages, okay, and they find wide range of application. So here we need to understand in detail about what is this edge artificial intelligence, okay, because this Kairali AI chip is going to use edge artificial intelligence. So edge AI or edge artificial intelligence is the implementation of AI in edge computing environment. So here we need to know what is edge computing environment. We already know what artificial intelligence is, okay, but what is edge computing here or what is edge computing environment here? That is where the computations to be done, the computations are done close to the data. The computations are done where the data is collected. That is called as edge computing. So data collection, data storage and computation, everything happens in a closed space, okay. So it is just opposite of the cloud computing or the cloud AI, okay, rather than at the centralized cloud computing facility or an offsite data center, okay. So in cloud computing and in offsite data center, the data is stored somewhere else in a cloud, okay, but then here the data is stored in the device itself and then processed in the device itself. That is called as edge computing, okay, and it has certain advantages. What are they? Edge computing or edge intelligence can provide faster and more efficient data processing while also protecting the privacy security of both data and users. This is its advantage, okay. So edge computing protects the privacy and security of both the users and also the security of the data. Here we need to understand the difference between what is cloud AI and what is edge AI. So with respect to different aspects, let us understand that. The first aspect that we are going to see is location of processing, where it is processed. Remote servers in data centers, that is where in cloud AI the data is processed, but here locally on devices itself the data is processed. Next is latency, delay, okay. So they may have higher latency. Cloud artificial intelligence might have higher latency, but here the delay or latency is lower, typically lower, okay, because the data is handled in a closed space, okay. Next is bandwidth. They require substantial bandwidth, but they can operate with lower bandwidth. Next is privacy and security. They raises concerns about data privacy and security, but here we have enhanced privacy and security as the data remains on the device itself, okay. Moreover, what are all the uses? How are they different with respect to uses? Here they are suited for high computational requirements, large data sets and less stringent real-time processing needs. and here they are used or they are ideal for real-time or near real-time processing, such as in IoT, that is Internet of Things devices and wearables. Okay, so this is the difference between cloud AI and edge AI. Now let us get into the details of the Kairali AI chips application. So what is the first application that we are going to discuss? It is agriculture. So these are the potential applications of the Kairali AI chip. Okay, so the chip can enable precision farming techniques by providing real-time monitoring of crop health, soil conditions and environmental factors. This is one important application, and this can help in optimizing the use of resources and enhancing the crop yields. So it finds application in agriculture sector. Next is mobile phone. How are they going to be used in mobile phone? The chip can improve the efficiency and performance of smartphones by enabling advanced features such as real-time language translation, enhanced image processing, AI-powered personal assistants. These are used in mobile phones, right? We need language translation, image processing and personal assistance. Okay, so all this is possible with the help of this artificial intelligence chip. And then security and surveillance application. What is it? The chip can enable faster and efficient facial recognition algorithms, threat detection and real-time analytics by using edge computing capability. We already saw one main advantage of edge computing is its privacy and security. Okay, so that is why it is used in security and surveillance sectors also. Next is aerospace. The chip can augment the capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles like drones and satellites by providing advanced processing power for navigation, data collection and real-time decision making, all with minimal power consumption. Okay, for unmanned aerial vehicles and satellites, power consumption is one important factor to be considered. Okay, so with minimal power consumption, they are able to do real-time decision making, advanced processing power for navigation and data collection. Moreover, the chip can also enhance the navigation and autonomous decision making capabilities of drones. Okay, where they are useful for applications like delivery services and environmental monitoring. What other application do they have? That is in automobile. Okay, the chip can be a game changer for autonomous vehicles by providing the necessary computing power for real-time processing of sensory information. In autonomous vehicle, sensory information are to be processed in real time. Okay, so there this AI chip finds application, which is an essential thing for safe and efficient autonomous driving. Okay, so this is what we need to know from this particular topic, that is Kairali